Here are 100 tattoo tips that will help you when starting your tattoo career. Prioritize hygiene by using disposable gloves. You gotta use gloves. Make sure you choose a quality and reputable tattoo ink brand for all your tattoos. Ensure that your tattoo machine is properly sanitized before starting and after the tattoo. Stretching the skin is very underrated. Make sure you stretch the skin to get a smooth canvas and the proper needle depth. Practice different stretching consistencies when using different needles and on different parts of the body. It's important to maintain a very uniform and consistent hand speed when lining. Familiarize yourself with different needle configurations that are out there on the market. Master the art of solid saturation and smooth blending. It'll be a game changer. I would definitely keep your tray or your workspace completely organized. It'll definitely just help with efficiency. Stay up to date with new tattooing techniques that are out, new equipment, and new trends. For precise design placement, use a stencil product or gel. It'll really help place a clean, smooth stencil. Invest in a good, high quality, comfortable tattoo chair for your client and for you, because you're going to be sitting in it all day. Make sure you can understand skin tones for accurate color choices. This is a big one. Take breaks. Take breaks throughout the day. It'll really save your hands. It'll save your back. It'll save your neck. Adjusting your needle depth depending on where you're tattooing on different parts of the body. Having good communication with your client. Pay attention to your client and their comfort will really help. It's okay to use numbing products in certain sensitive areas or to get people through the tattoo session towards the end. Learn different ways to create unique or custom stencils. What works best for you. The way you hold your tattoo machine can be unique to every individual. Develop that technique so you can have a nice steady hand. When starting off, it's good to keep a variety of different needle configurations so you can practice and get familiar with what will work for you. Experiment with different machine speeds for color, for black and gray, and for different needles. A really cool thing is to attend expos, conventions, workshops, seminars. This will really enhance your learning in the tattoo industry. Incorporate a wide range of textures in your realism tattoos to make them better. When first starting out, it's really okay if you want to practice on fake skin to hone your techniques or to try something new so you don't have to try it on an actual person first. You need to utilize proper lighting so when you're tattooing you don't have shadows everywhere. Choose a nice, well-ventilated, spacious work area. Invest and buy high-quality aftercare products for your clients. You really want to use disposable razors when shaving and prepping the skin, something that you can shave with and throw right away. Get familiar with skin and body anatomy. You're going to need to know that one. Work on developing a signature style that will really make you stand out from your peers. Most people come into the tattoo shops nervous to get tattooed. You have to maintain a calm, cool, chill demeanor to make them feel comfortable with you. I would keep a first aid kit handy, ready by somewhere, because there's always an unfortunate or unexpected situation that can happen. Try many different tattoo grips. There's different sizes and ergonomic shapes. Use what feels best for your hand. Finding a mentor is really great. You can definitely learn a lot if you find a good, solid mentor. And there's no shame of already tattooing and still having a mentor. Keep a client record system with all their phone numbers and contact information in case you leave shop or you need to contact them or there's another unfortunate event that happens. You have that all to yourself. Use barrier film and put it on anything you're going to touch for cross-contamination. Experiment with different machines. You don't have to use a rotary. You don't have to use pen style. Maybe you want to try coil. There's a bunch of different machines out there. Experiment with them. Be mindful with saturation and how much you're overworking the skin or lining to create blowouts. You don't want that. Start a social media page and start promoting yourself. Consider being a guest artist at a different shop. It'll just work great for your personal networking. Educate your client on the aftercare situation and routine after your tattoo every single time. Stay up to date on health and safety regulations in the area that you're tattooing in. Practice on various skin types, whether it's older people or younger people. You need to get all of that down. Embrace the healing process as part of the art. You need to know it. You can always collaborate with other artists for artistic inspiration if you're kind of running dry at the moment. Attend art classes, go to painting classes, go to drawing classes. It'll enhance your skills. If you can draw better, you'll be able to tattoo better. Use disposable covers for your tattoo machines. Just create a very welcoming and comforting tattoo experience for your client. If I need inspiration, I always keep reference material close by, whether that be a tablet or books. Establish a very clear consultation process with your clients. Consider the psychological impacts of your style and the designs that you're choosing to do. Practice consistent hand washing to really limit infections. Keep a diverse portfolio of artwork and tattoos so you can show your clients. If your tattoo machine isn't battery operated and you need an actual power supply, invest in a very high quality power supply. Make sure to break and eat snacks throughout the day to maintain your focus. Stay open to client input and ideas. Sometimes they have better ideas than you're even thinking. Be very, very transparent with your clients about pricing and about expectations throughout the session. To achieve different effects wax, experiment with different needle groupings to achieve different textures and details. The only way to get better at line work is to practice, practice, practice. Seek feedback from peers and seek feedback from clients. It'll only help you to improve your skills. If a client really does have a low pain tolerance, I would either do shorter sessions, or you could possibly start slowly introducing a pain numbing cream for smaller sessions. Master color saturation and how to achieve smooth gradients. I would highly take advantage of social media to just grow engagement and just get more clients. Experiment using warm and cool color tones will really give a dynamic contrast to your tattoos. Maintain a positive online presence. It'll just help you grow your business and get more clients. Keep your equipment well maintained for quality. You don't want to have constantly broken things and have to buy new gear always. Take care of your stuff. It's really important that you can develop a strong understanding of color theory. Buy high quality, reputable transfer paper for good stencils. Proper aftercare is really important. Every time after my tattoos, I sit down and I educate my clients on what they need to do for aftercare. Try incorporating personal touches in each design that gives your tattoos a you feeling. It's important to stay very focused on intricate long sessions. I know it can be hard, but you have to do it. You need patience. Drawing freehand is a great way to just enhance your skills. I practice freehand drawing in my free time all the time. Consider environmental factors for just overall client comfort, like humidity and temperature. Keep up on all the new evolving tattoo styles that are going on. If you have bad eyes and you need glasses, then make sure you wear your glasses while you're tattooing. Sometimes it's very rewarding to collaborate with your clients through meaningful designs. You really do need to be adaptable. No matter what the age of the client or the skin tone of the client or the texture of the skin, you need to be able to do all of those. Don't turn people away by judging them on those specific factors. Keep communication channels open with your clients. Have a way for them to communicate with you at all times. Consider the placement of your tattoos and how they're going to look and flow with the human body anatomy. You can use digital tools to show your clients how their tattoo could possibly look before you get started. Embrace continuous learning and you will always stay ahead. Search through forums and blogs and keep up with the industry. It'll really help you. Now, when choosing needles, I would choose a reputable, very high quality brand. This is how you do tattoos, so you need to have the most high quality needles that you can afford. Respect your clients and respect their privacy. If you really want to grow, you have to be receptive to constructive criticism. I know it's hard, but you cannot get upset. Practice time management during your sessions, because when you first start, you'll be tattooing a little bit slower, so you need to get down your speed. Don't book too many tattoos in one day that you can't keep up with. It's a really important and fun thing to do is to attend tattoo expos so you can connect with other peers. Try out different stroke lengths in your tattoo machines. A 4.2 can be good for lining, and a 3.5 can be good all around, and a 3.2 could be good for shading. See what works best for you. If you spill ink on your floor, make sure you clean it, sanitize it, and mop it up. Get it out of there. Choose needle sizes that are appropriate to the size of the tattoo you're doing. Smaller needles for smaller tattoos, larger needles for larger tattoos. Educate your clients on the importance of sun safety and keeping their tattoos generally out of the sun. Be mindful in cultural sensitivities in your tattoo designs. You don't want to offend anybody. Just be mindful of what you're doing. Practice proper needle disposal techniques. You need to know what to do with your dirty needles when you're done using them. I always keep a backup machine in case my machine battery either dies or it breaks. You never know what's going to happen, so keep a backup somewhere. Consider the healing process when you're doing your tattoo. Are you overworking the skin? How big is the tattoo? Make sure that your client can heal that piece. If they're a little bit older, you might need to do smaller sessions. It is good to stay updated on tattoo laser removal techniques, or at least how it's done, so you're knowledgeable in that if somebody asks you. Being around a really supportive community with other tattoo artists is really important. One of the most important things is patience. Practice patience and precision in every stroke that you do. I want you to be able to enjoy tattooing in your creative journey. You might be tattooing for years now, you might just be starting. It's definitely a tough and overwhelming thing, but if you stick with it, if you practice, you will get there. You will make money. You will have a successful tattoo career. My name is Ryan Methric, also known as rm.inc on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me and I will get back with you.